present here. Today we present a special topic. Let's watch. Hi Sakshi, how are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am also fine. Sakshi, I want to know something. Please tell me how many words are there? There are 8 words in English. Only 8 words. Which are they? Yes, only 8 words. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Oh, I got it. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Can you give me some examples? For example, Rama, Sita, dog, etc. Okay, very good. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Can you give me some examples? For example, Surpur sir is a headmaster. He is a strict headmaster. Hanchali sir is a teacher. He is a kind teacher. Very nice. What is adjective? An adjective is a word which describes a noun or pronoun. Can you give me some examples? For example, Mary is a beautiful girl. Chennai is a big city. Okay, very good. What is verb? Verb is an action word. Can you give me some examples? For example, go, went, gone, going, goes, write, wrote, written, writing, writes. Very good. What is adverb? An adverb is a word which qualifies a verb or adjective or another adverb. Okay. What is preposition? Preposition is a word which shows relation between two words in a sentence. Can you give me some examples? For example, the book is on the table. He jumped into the well. Okay. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a joining word. Conjunction is a word, two words in a sentence. Examples? For example, Rama and Lakshmana are brothers. He is rich but miser. Okay, very good. What is interjection? An interjection is a word. It expresses strong or sudden feelings or emotions like joy, sorrow, pain, fear, surprise, etc. Examples? Examples. Hooray, we have won the match. Alas, the old man is dead. Okay, Sakshi, thank you. Thank you all. Thank you so much.